Got on board the westbound 747. Didn't think before deciding what to do. Oh, that talk of opportunities, TV breaks and movies rang true, sure rang true. Seems it never rains in Southern California. Seems I've often heard that kind of talk before. It never rains in Southern California, but girl, don't they want it pours, man it pours. Will you tell the folks back home I need head offers but don't know which one to take? Please don't tell them how you found me. Don't tell them how you found me. Give me a break. Give me a break. Seems it never rains in Southern California. Seems I've often heard that kind of love before. It never rains in California, but girls don't they want it pours, man it pours. Seems it never rains in Southern California. Seems I've often heard that kind of talk before. Yeah, it never rains in California, but girl, they won't it pours, man it pours. Bop, 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 well, howdy there pluckers, Ivysaur Fingers again with you. Time for something a little easier. A classic song from Albert Hammond called It Never Rains in Southern California. Okay, very simple song, only got 4 chords in it. Okay, all normal chords, nothing unusual. Okay, standard tuning, no capos, doing it the same key as Albert Hammond performed the song in originally. Okay, so starts off with a B minor, 2nd fret bar chord, minor shape, B minor, to an E chord, to an A chord, and then what I'm doing there, just before, on the end of the A strum, lifting off pinky, open 2nd string, and then back again. It goes from an A to an A sus2 and then back to the A. Okay, so B minor slowly, E, A sus2, A, bap bap, B minor, bap 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 bap, E, then bap 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 bap, A sus2, A, stop, thump, and then we're going into the verse. Okay. Got on, and it's the same chord sequence to start with, just the B minor to E to A, okay? Got on board the westbound 747. Didn't think before deciding what to do. Oh, that talk of opportunities. Now, slightly different here. TV breaks and F sharp minor movies. You can do it like that if you want, barring the first 3 strings, 2nd fret, 1st finger, 4th fret of the 5th string and the 4th string, or you can play a full bar, it's up to you. Da, da, B minor, ba, E sure rang true. Stop, thump, and then we go into the chorus. Okay, so let's just go through this verse again. Now let's go through the whole thing. Okay. Got on board a westbound 747. Didn't think before deciding what to do. Oh, let's talk of opportunities. A to F sharp minor now. Heavy breaks and movies. Rank B minor true. E sure rank A. Stop, thump. And now we're going into the chorus, and it's basically the same thing again. Seems it never rains in Southern California. Seems I've often heard that kind of talk before. It never rains in California. A to F sharp minor. Girl, don't they warn you? B minor pause. E minor pause. Stop, thump. Okay, and then you're off into another verse, and another chorus, and another verse, and another chorus. Okay, and then on the end you can just do the beginning again. You can come out of the chorus. Minor pause, minor pause. Stop, thump, bap, 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 bap. Stop. That's it. End of song. Okay, just do the intro twice or whatever. That's it, boys and girls. Dead simple song for you there. Keep you happy for 10 minutes. And I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.